from a territory that seems to have certain influences in it.
Absolutely. I want to tell you the support I have is national.
Yeah.
From every corner of Trinidad and Tobago. And that has heartened me and lifted me and vindicated my stewardships thus far against the criticism. And a lot of the criticism would have come from enemies of the partnership who wished to see the COP leave and therefore the government to fall. I resisted that, therefore I became the target of a lot of attacks. The propaganda machine is very powerful in this nation. And many within the party, for whatever reason, held on to the negatives of the outside and brought it in as an internal cancer. And therefore we need to fix those things that the party needs to identify and take ownership of the successes of the party.
My final question to you, if you're re-elected as political leader, what do you envision for the next year? Because you're just 11 months away from a next general election.
Well, I have to be elected as leader because really, as imperfect as I am, I'm the best candidate there is in this race. And the next year is going to be very difficult and would require experience and wisdom to navigate the very troubled waters I foresee ahead. Every single thing I predicted for this party from 2007 has come to pass. Trust in my judgment. We have come so far. We have far to go yet. This is not a time for on-the-job training. This is a time now for experience and wisdom and commitment and honesty to take us forward.
You haven't got the time for OJTs.
No, we don't.
I want to thank you very much, Minister, for spending this time with me. There's going to be a repeat on tonight, of course.
Thank you. I shall look at it then.
Ladies and gentlemen, Congress of the People political leader, Member of Parliament for St. Augustine, and your Minister of Legal Affairs, Prakash Ramadan, spending time with us. I'm Hansley Ajoda. Thank you so much to our guest, Shazad Ali, for reminding us of Ramadan, which begins in earnest tomorrow. To Sister Davy and Brother Anil, and of course to our Minister of Legal Affairs for spending time with us. I'm Hansley Ajoda on behalf of Giles Wilson, the big man Nigel Paul, Kieran McDowell and Vikas Hardeo for his work on audio, and to Indira Dukran for producing the show. Please have a safe weekend, be good, and remember, go out there and vote in the leadership elections for the Congress of the People. Take care of yourselves and each other.